Hello, everybody. Frugal Gal here with a jewelry unboxing. What do you think? Hair up or hair down? That shampoo I'm using for my Young Living essential oils is still making my hair look thick. For the sake of me not being all yucky sweaty, I'm going to put it back up. Alright, so I told you guys, if you're on my Facebook group, Vintage Wear Today, and if you're not, go over there and join. I put on there a picture that I had got some jewelry and it was from a new source. Well, that's not what I'm opening, because I opened that on my own just to check. Wasn't very good. But on this new source, it's varying sellers, so this is a different seller from that source. I'm not going to tell you what the source is, because I'm keeping it a secret. But I got a box. I already broke into it, but I haven't opened it, but I know what this is. This, I bought 45, and it had a plus sign under it, so more than 45 brooches. Yes, brooches. So we're going to look at these brooches. In a bag. I figured I'd do it facing you because I haven't talked to you guys for a while facing you. So why not? They smell a little musty, but that's okay. Not how I'd wrap them, but what do you know? What do you know? They said that these weren't signed. So basically, they're like this in a paper bag. And I'm just going to hold them up and show them to you guys. First, we're going to count them because they said 45 plus. It better be 45 plus at least one. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I'm only counting 4 to 4. So what do you get? Well, that'd be 45, but I think that's more of a earring. Okay, I'll put you on pause and count them again. Okay, there's 45. I'm not quite sure if they understand if they put a plus sign after the 45. That means more than 45, right? But I'll take it. For what I paid, I'll take it. They look like most of them are gold tone. There's one in here that I know is signed. They said that none of these were signed, but I could tell from the picture that this was a, well, maybe I'm wrong. I guess it isn't. I thought it was a Sarah Coventry, or who else made these, the letters. The brooches that were letters. That's a J, right? Is that a J, or you think that's a G? That'd be a G. I think that's a G. Yeah. Either a G or a capital J, I'm not sure. Sarah Coventry made it. That one isn't marked, but it's in good shape. Okay. This one. I really like this one. It was interesting. It's like somebody, I guess, made it. I don't know. It's a little broom. Isn't that neat? Like a whisk broom. Got a lot of these circle ones. I get a lot of these. That one's pretty. Wreath. This one looks like somebody almost took I think they did, a locket, and took the front of the locket off and made a brooch of it because it's all engraved. Look at that, isn't that pretty? It's all engraved on there. It's silver and gold tone. Maybe it's not a locket. Maybe it wasn't a locket, but that's kind of what it looks like to me. I've had this one before, and I've had these signed. This one isn't. These need to be cleaned up, that's all. I have a lot of these circle ones, which I think these were popular in the 1960s. So they are vintage. There's a heart one. Anybody like hearts? There's circle. I'm just going to get the circle ones out of the way. Oh, this is a nice circle one that has a little faux pearl. And that's an older one because it's got that V-shaped part in the back of it. Now this one's interesting. It's a flower with a bee on the flower. Isn't that neat? And then it is a safety clasp, right? The pin is actually going longer than the safety clasp. So this one's interesting. This Starburst one, and it's not a cold stone though. Isn't that neat? It reminds me of, I had a mirror that looked like this. I gave it to my nephew, or he bought it from me, and the Starburst clocks. I had one of those too. Another circle one. Oh, I have two of these. Look like this. They just need to be run through my sonic cleaner. Here's another like star one. That one's neat. What's this one? This is cute. The circular one, and it's got a little heart on it with an arrow through it. This one. It's missing some things, but it's vintage. If you're interested in any of these, I would pair them up and give you a good price on them. Like, say, if you want all the heart ones or all the circle ones. Or like, we have two of these that look like this. They're similar. Hey, this is interesting. It's missing some things. This is very heavy. Look at that. It's not coming off on the camera, but that background color is a really dark blue. It's missing some of the rhinestones, but you could replace those rhinestones in those prong settings. Oh, look, a mask. Worse for wear. The theater mask, whatever they call them. This one matches that other one. Oh, there's a pretty flower. One that is just like that. See, they've got this. What's this part of the brooch called back here? That rivet thing in there, and then that. I think somebody said that means they're older. Pretty. Another heart. Another circular one, but these have got some engraved like stars. See how that's like diamond or whatever they call that little pattern. Here's a rose. A lot of these usually are Avon, but this one isn't. This is a metal rose. Gold tone, and the rose part, the petals are metal. Oh, look at that. First I thought that was a cornucopia, but it's a little flower curled out. I get these and I always think, are these initials? But if they are, I don't know. But are they? These look like a nice swirly pattern to me. Another one of these. This is either an S or a note. What do you think? Is it a musical note or an S? Oops. Looks like a ribbon. And we got a teddy bear holding a basket. That's cute. Another heart. A crown missing some stones. Little circle one. I would like these wrapped better because some of the little things have that aren't in these ones that are missing, like the crown. They're in the bag. I can see them. So, ooh, this is interesting. It's a wreath, but look at all the hearts, and it's got the faux pearls. Isn't that neat? A little bow. I wonder if there was something that hung off there. It's a flower, and it looks like the center part of it is mother of pearl. Isn't that neat? The wreath. And a bunch of flowers. Well, I'm happy because I know what I paid for them, so I'm happy with it. I really wish they would have, like, packaged them better because there's some little, like, you can see that little pearls in there where they could have fell out. So if you're interested in any of these, I could lot them up together and sell them to you. Just let me You know, oh, we got this one, but I'm probably going to get rid of that because I don't like those little homemade things. They're kind of, ooh. You kind of get dirty and pick up all this stuff. So I'll talk to you guys later. Leave me a thumbs up if you would down there. And leave me a thumbs down because somebody always does. They don't like me. Oh well. Get in line. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.